All right, today we are going to be doing a flip through of our Wild Science curriculum. This curriculum is based on the Wild Kratts TV episodes. So all you need for this homeschool curriculum is access to the Wild Kratts, a pencil, and these student notebooks, which you can either print yourself, you can get the digital download and print it yourself, or you can submit a printed order and we can send them to you. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through each of these. There are 3 student notebooks and 1 teacher's guide. As you can see here, it has the list of the Wild Kratts episodes that it goes along with. Now this is only season 1, so this is activity book 1. We are working on activity book 2 to go with season 2. And each of the lessons is going to be about the same here, where we watch an episode. K through 3rd through 6th are going to have different activities that they complete, and the pre-K one is just a coloring book so that the little pre-K kiddos can feel included. K through 3rd is going to answer the discussion questions and color the picture of the crocodile, correct the facts on the page, and reflect the correct grammar. 3rd through 6th is going to answer the discussion questions and label the differences between an alligator and a crocodile using the word bank complete facts about crocodiles. And when I'm flipping through those student notebooks, I'll show you what that looks like. The teacher's guide also has the discussion questions and answers and the answers to any of the grammar correction or anything like that. So this is in the K through 3rd, this is in the 3rd through 6th, and then this is also in the 3rd through 6th, and you'll be able to just see that as we flip through. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through and just show you guys. Now, I sell these on Teachers Pay Teachers, Etsy, and my own website. If TikTok doesn't go down, I also sell them on TikTok. I will put all of the links in the description, and please feel free to ask any questions. I will respond to any of the questions, whether they're commented questions or you send me a message on one of the platforms, send me an email, anything is totally fine. I will respond to you. So that is the teacher's guide. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see any of our other videos. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up. There's the teacher's guide. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the preschool because, like I said, this is just the coloring book. But it also tells you which coloring page goes with which lesson. So a lot of times people will actually get just this, just so they can feel like they can watch something along with their child and have a little activity that goes along with it. A lot of other people will just add it on for younger kids, which is exactly what I did. I originally had only made the 3 through 6 and K through 3 guides, but then my toddler was like, oh, what about me, Mom? So I went ahead and made him the pre-K student notebook, and he absolutely loves it. All right, next is the K through 3rd, and these ones are my children's actual notebooks, so there's some things in here. We actually started like halfway in here because we had already watched some of these other ones, but as you can see, it'll say at the top of the page what lesson it goes with, and then we alternate between different kinds of activities. So this one is fill in the blanks with chosen adjectives, which they can pick any adjective. Then they can go to the teacher's guide and read the actual fact. There's some drawing ones. We've got some matching words to correct definitions, some tracing. As you can see, there are a variety of activities in here, and we wanted to make sure that that was the case so that you could learn a variety of different skills along with this. This is good for science, handwriting, drawing, vocabulary, grammar, a lot of really fun things all in one curriculum. So like I said, this is the kindergarten through 3rd grade student notebook. Now we're going to show the 3rd through 6th grade student notebook, and this is the one that my daughter, who is 10, uses. She's in 5th grade. So lesson 1 is actually free, and I'm going to put that link in the description for you. If you go to the product page and you just get the first lesson download for free, you can try out lesson 1 of each of the student notebooks and the teacher's guide to see which one fits best for your family, for your children. And this one is going to have different activities in it for older grades. As you can see here, we get into higher level vocabulary and spelling. We get into higher level facts, longer facts, and then diet, habitat, and life cycle. There are 20 lessons in each because there are 20 episodes in the first season. The second season will have more because there are more episodes. So that is the Wild Science. If you guys have any questions for me at all, like I said, ask. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments or in a message, or check through the videos to see if we've posted it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is one of our most fun and most popular curriculums. Thank you so much.